All right, so today we have the Abus Titanium 8340 in aluminum. So I've been playing around a little bit with this. I just put that back in the box for fun to give you a look at it. Also got this one off of Amazon. Probably see the 8340 there. It's got a wide open keyway. Key that came with it. This one only comes with one key, unlike the cheaper padlocks actually, and it's got key retention in it, so it doesn't automatically let you pull it out when it's unlocked. So there we go. Let's just go ahead and put it in the vise and see what we can do here. So for this one, it seems like when I was playing with it earlier, it liked a little bit of heavier tension. So instead of the twisted tension wrench, I'm going to use a straight wiper blade hook, and I will use the heavier duty Southord hook. Let me see if I can get situated here on this. This is a little trickier than before. There we go. That's a little bit better. So, like I said, it seems like it wants pretty heavy tension and then heavy movements inside the keyway. There we go, got a nice click out of 1, a nice click out of 2, a couple nice clicks out of 3, nothing on 4, and 5 seems like it's binding fairly tightly. I think I released some tension to see if it would give it counter rotation, and it doesn't seem like it. Probably dropped a couple pins there. So let's try maybe giving it a little too much tension. Try backing it off a little. Let me see. There we go. That's more comfortable. Nothing on 1. Click out of 2. Nice click out of 3. 4 seems like it's set, or it may be 5 seems... there it is. Yeah, I noticed that 5 would tend to bind pretty significantly heavy compared to the other pins when it was just about ready to fully unlock. So there's that. The 83 AL40 from Abus.